Yeah, Bolster down there, ripping lip with the dog. So, Buddy Gibson. And one of my sports pals, not in the other by myself. I got some rocks to hold the front end down. Yeah, Key Waden. Back again. Oh, excuse me. We've had a few. Panther Martin.
Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Yeah, you know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow.
60% of the time, it works all the time. Got the new look fireplace out of Key Waden. Pimp my campsite. Fire pit. Put the coals right there underneath that grill for cooking. This lake's gonna see some of the fanciest cruising we've ever seen here. You're getting sandwiched in between the two canoes there, babe. Fancy seat.
Fancy schmancy.
Yeah, we're doing Algonquin Park surfing too.
Bass hasn't got them all yet.
That's right. All right. Look at this fancy ride going down Key Waden. Equipped with cup holder too.
And I had a feverish dream. This is like the best campsite in the fucking world. Every time's a good time. And it's always so fucking nice.
Some weed.